Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Rev Room. Today, I'm going to be going over this heat gun from Wagner. Okay, this is the Furno 300 heat gun by Wagner. Dual temperature heat gun. You have two settings on here, 750 degrees Fahrenheit and 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. Taking a quick look at the diagram on the back, we could see that it shows some of the features, such as the protective sidebars, prevents the nozzle from touching the surface, which helps, definitely, so you don't burn anything. We have the hanging loop on the bottom for storage, features an ergonomic design, has a corrosion-resistant nozzle for longer life, and it even has an integrated stand for hands-free operation and cool-down. Furno, 101 uses. Here is all the technical data. On the bottom right, you have your temp settings at 2. Temp range is 750 degrees Fahrenheit and 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 fan speeds, and there is your power at 1200 watts, 4095 BTU, 120 volts, and 60 hertz. Inside the box, we first get a free 6-month extended warranty. We get the Furno 300 owner's manual. We get the Furno 300 cable, as well as the Furno 300 heat gun. So first impressions of it, pretty much the build quality, everything is plastic. Feels like a heavy plastic, with the exception of the nozzle, which is metal. On the bottom there, you could see that you have your heat settings, which it's at 0. Now it's at 1. And then that's 2. Here is where that cable connects to on the heat gun. And on the bottom it says, to reduce the risk of fire or electrical shock, do not expose this product to rain or moisture. Store indoors. Read instruction manual before using. So now how do we set it up? Obviously you got the bottom port right there. You're going to take this end and throw it in to the bottom. Make sure that's in. Really good. You should hear a snap. Looking at this cable, doesn't really look like there's a long length here. So you definitely want to, use it close by to an outlet. But overall, I think this thing will get the job done. I see that they have higher grade heat guns with like 3 or 4 settings and different tips on it and attachments. I just needed a heat gun. That's it. To get like adhesive off or something. Other than that, I think this is a really cool product. Got it really cheap at Home Depot. And you could actually see this one on HomeDepot.com. It does have high ratings, as well as 2 other Wagner ones, though. I think this is the lowest or bottom of the barrel one. Then it moves up to the middle tier. And then you got the top one, which is obviously the most expensive and just pretty much way too excessive for me. But yeah, guys, if you are looking for a heat gun, be sure to check out Wagner's Furno 300. I saw mine and got it in Home Depot, and you might have some in your home improvement stores, such as Lowe's also, but Home Depot is where I got mine. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Rumble at the Rev Room, of course. And we got videos coming every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'll catch you guys next time. Take care. Peace.